Shamant is, sir, could you please share some wisdom on closing of sales? Some clients seem to take a longer time than usually to decide on a property purchase. Okay. Shamant is asking a question, how to closing techniques. He is just wanting to know closing techniques. Okay. So the closing techniques is like this. Now, why you are not in a position to make a judgment about the person, whether he will close the sales or not, is mainly because the initial process, you have not done that. Okay. Shamant, I'm not sure whether you have received my 15 set of questions. Okay. If you have received my 15 set of questions, say yes in the chat box. If you have not, then you tell me no. Okay. And what is important for you is that that 15 set of questions is very, very important for you. Okay. Whoever has received it, I'm sure that they are all seeing great value in that questions, and they are following that. And when they are following this, they will be dealing with limited number of clients. Now, let's say, I will just show an example of how many leads we have received. So from Sumit Chauhan, okay. Okay, so you can see here on one single property of 4 BHK residential house, we have received a number of leads from Sumit. Okay, at least about, I would say more than 10, 12 leads are there. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, okay, 9, 10, 11, 12 leads we have received in the last, maybe the first lead which we received was on 1st July. So 15 days and we have received around 12 leads. Okay, almost one lead a day. Okay. Now, out of this 15 leads for that one single property, right, we have been able to zero it on and identify just about 2 or 3 leads are really serious, because we were able to zero it on only with 2 or 3. Why? Because we asked them question and they were willing to answer those questions. Okay, and then later on, while questioning them, we found out that some of them were agents, some of them wanted plots. Actually, they did not want house, right? All this clarity we received. Okay, and then we told them that, okay, depending on their requirement, we told them that this property may not be suitable for you, right? We will show you some other property. And in that process of asking questions, there is one important question that we ask. The important question that we ask is that, by when will you be able to decide purchasing the property? It is at that time he will say that, no, I am in the exploration stage. I am just now looking for properties. I will keep seeing properties like this, and then I may decide later on, right? Or he might say that, no, I have already seen many properties. If this property is good, I will immediately book. Or he might say, I have applied for loan. I think I will be getting a sanction letter in the next 1 month's time, and after 1 month I'll be able to purchase it. So you will be clearly getting an answer from the buyer to that particular question which you are going to ask. When are you going to decide buying the property? This is an important question in that 15 set of questions. Okay. So those who have not received, there are a lot of people who have said, I've not received, and other people have said, right? What my request to all of them is, please note down my number, 6366899996. Okay. So just WhatsApp me after this session today. After this session, I will send it to everybody. Okay. Whoever is saying that I have not received, I'll send you the 15 set of questions, which is very important in your real estate business. And with these 2-3 people which we are going to deal with now, I'm confident that in the next 15 to 20 days time, right, we'll be able to close the deal if they like this property. So which means, see, 1st of July, we started getting leads. By 30th of July, we'll be able to close the deal. We are very clear about it. I am very clear about that. Okay, this is how I would like to deal with people. So why the closing doesn't take place for many people is because they don't do this exercise. The customer is not actually seriously wanting to buy now. He might not have eligibility of getting loan sanction. He might not have actually the money. See, every citizen in this country has got desire to purchase a property. Okay, but they don't have capacity to purchase the property. Okay, this is the issue. Because of this issue, closing doesn't happen. But when you keep asking these kind of questions, relevant questions you ask, and you get answers for that, closing will definitely happen.